Bro, look at this, man. They make it not even want to take out the body, bro. They got bubble wrap on everything. Look at that bad boy, bro. Smoked LEDs, bro. These are the modules. Bro, they send you swag. Bruh. T-Tap. Bruh. I don't deserve this. I don't deserve this, man. Look at this. This Christmas gifts right here, bro. Christmas right around the corner. Boost all them parts, bro. Boost all them parts. We might be getting a 10% coupon too, so bro, let's do it. Powerful. Yo! They actually really ain't that heavy, bro. Like, this is solid, maybe 20 pounds. Like, look. I ain't swole like that. Look at that. Yeah, so these are super nice, boy. Boy, this is the shit. Like, damn, hold up, man. Like, damn. All right, man, we gotta eat. Let's get into these real quick, you know what I'm saying? Let's get into these real quick, you know what I'm saying? So, I'm not just cutting into this with a box cutter blade. I mean, if you look at it, you know, back in my old days, oil field worker, I used to cut off umbilicals, right? Cut them open. Basically, this is actually like a safer knife because as you can see, it barely cuts into anything. So let me tell you right now, the boxes look pretty fire. The boxes look pretty fire. You get a box in a box. Goddamn. I gotta put the phone down again. All right. Sorry for my voice. You get 2 boxes in the big box, and I mean they come immaculate. The first box, I got like a set of modules, some instructions, tons of bubble wrap. I mean, take a look at these, man. Look at those. Aren't those beautiful, man? Aren't those just pretty? Got the puddle light. Side marker. I don't even know what that's for. But yeah. Right hand side. They even labeled 22 pen and 2 blue leads. It's beautiful, man. Beautiful. So let me tell you right now. This is not for the weak-hearted. You got your 21 pin connector. You got your 2 leads on the right side, right? You come here, you got a 21 pin connector. You got 2 additional leads. Looks like you're gonna piggyback off something. And you got your other 2 leads. If you don't feel like going into your doors, taking off your door cards and wiring together stuff, it's all pigtails, and I think there's just 2 T-taps. If you don't feel like doing that, get the manuals. They're a little lighter, they're way easier to install. I mean, let's be realistic. Unless you park in a garage, you shouldn't have to fold these in every day. But since I'm already opening all this stuff, let's go through all the swag they give you, man. Like, I'm talking about, these guys give you everything. They give you koozie, business card. Make sure you take note on that, man. These are who you need to talk to. Bam, mark bag, swag sticker, bro. Like, the T-taps come included with the pigtail already made. The 2 modules. And all your additional wiring. That's a lot of wiring. So when I see that, I'm like, man, this is about to be hyper intuitive, right? They actually don't give you instructions in the box because they recommend you watch their videos. They actually have videos on installs for any truck, all trucks, all years. You watch those videos, instructional videos. They tell you essentially everything you need to do. And I mean, they are perfect. They're amazing. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to start getting the wrenching. All right, so I was doing this. First things first, use a little pry tool, pop this right off, 5 seconds. Then next you got 4, was it 13/16 No. What is it? 13, 30 seconds. 13, 30 seconds. Maybe a half inch would actually work by inject. So 13, 30 seconds. Get a little socket because this thread is kind of deep on the factory mirrors. So get a kind of deep socket. Pull that one. There you got two bolts here. This one and that one. Pop those off, pull them off. Came back with the tow mirrors. Line them up, put them in. Word to the wise. Do this with your window down. You will wonder like why. So you can hold the mirror and feed the cables through. I literally had to go like, get my neighbor to help me out real quick because I was holding the mirror and I didn't want to drop it and now I couldn't pull it back through. So he came, helped me pull it through. We got it in. Now I just didn't make it up. And I might do this as like kind of a two-part because my daughter's sleeping. And if she wake up, I gotta go. So I'm not pulling off the door card just yet. I'm gonna go ahead, make these initial connections back up together. Probably won't even plug them in yet just because I wanna see how far I can get. But do the same on the other side. Now let's go. All right, so made some progress, got both mirrors on. I'm gonna go for it right now. Next thing is taking off the door card. Pry tool, you end up pulling this off. You got two clips up top, little hooks on the bottom. So pull from the top, unhook from the bottom. Then you got 7mm, 7mm. Where you took the mirror off, you got a 7mm. You gotta come out here where you got this little red reflector. This little red reflector right here. You got a 7mm. And then along the bottom, you got 2 more 7mm. After that, you can just wiggle, pull. I just did the due diligence, went around all the edges with a pry tool just to make sure, but nothing. Pull, bottom comes off real easy. Top is kind of overhooked. And I don't want to disconnect everything because I'm lazy. That box is clutch. That box is really clutch. So I'm gonna try to set everything on the box and I have to disconnect it. So I wonder how that's gonna work. It works so well. Look at that. So sitting on the box, got a little stress on the wires, not too bad, but I'll be able to work in here and zip tie everything. Cool. All right, so next, let's just go over what I did. Hooked up all the wires for the first module. Ran them through here. So see this cotton covering, you pick up, pull it down, pick up, pull it down. See where I put the module. Use the zip ties, included zip ties. Put it all in there, ran everything through this hole right here, that's the fuse. Ran it through that hole right there. Hardest part, which I haven't even plugged back in yet, was you gotta come and tap these wires for this module. You tap the power, that one's red and white, and then you tap the black one. They're in pin slots 1 and 2 on the harness from the top side, black, white, and red. So you tap those two, that's your positive and negative. I got a beep. Maybe my battery was supposed to be disconnected when I did this, but again, I'm lazy, didn't do it. If I blew something up, damn, it's gonna suck. But yeah, now to put everything back together. Yay! And Boost was so thoughtful that if you use one of the boxes with the included foam and the included bubble wrap, you can put away your old lights and have them ready to ship. No box, no packaging, just print a label. Come on, man. Quality at its finest.